Letter A sounds ah. Letter A sounds ah. Letter B sounds b. Letter B sounds b. Letter C sounds k. Letter C sounds k. Letter D sounds d. Letter D sounds d. Letter E sounds e. Letter E sounds e. Letter F sounds f. Letter F sounds f. Letter G sounds g. Letter G sounds g. Letter G sounds g. Letter H sounds h. Letter H sounds h. Letter H sounds h. Letter I sounds e. Letter I sounds e. Letter I sounds e. Letter J sounds j. Letter J sounds j. Letter J sounds j. Letter K sounds k. Letter K sounds k. Letter K sounds k. Letter L sounds l. Letter L sounds l. Letter L sounds l. Letter M sounds mm. Letter M sounds mm. Letter M sounds mm. Letter N sounds mm. Letter N sounds mm. Letter N sounds mm. Letter O sounds o. Letter O sounds o. Letter O sounds o. Letter P sounds p. Letter P sounds p. Letter P sounds p. Letter P sounds p. Letter Q sounds qua. Letter Q sounds qua. Letter Q sounds qua. Letter R sounds r. Letter R sounds r. Letter R sounds r. Letter R sounds r. Letter S sounds s. Letter S sounds s. Letter S sounds s. Letter T sounds t. Letter T sounds t. Letter T sounds t. Letter T sounds t. Letter U sounds o. Letter U sounds o. Letter U sounds o. Letter U sounds o. Letter V sounds v. Letter V sounds v. Letter V sounds v. Letter W sounds w. Letter W sounds w. Letter W sounds w. Letter X sounds Letter X sounds X. Letter X sounds X. Letter Y sounds Y. Letter Y sounds Y. Letter Y sounds Y. Letter Y sounds Y. And letter Z sounds Z. Letter Z sounds Z. Letter Z sounds Z. And letter Z sounds Z. Please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.